What do you want in life right now? A brand new phone, a fresh pair of designer footwear, or a pricey handbag? You might be a hustler looking for a startup or an investment to expand your business. You may estimate that it will take you more than 10 years to achieve financial freedom because all of this will be expensive. However, I'm about to convince you otherwise, since this innovative strategy for getting money that I just learned will let you make an incredible $600. That is correct. My jaw literally dropped when I first realized how much money I could make. In any event, I'll demonstrate how to generate money online using a laptop or even a phone in today's video. Additionally, it is widely accessible to anyone due to its global availability, and it is user-friendly for beginners due to the lack of prerequisite technical knowledge or prior expertise. So, just be yourself and let your desire to succeed financially motivate you to use this strategy. Are you curious? Of course you are! But make sure you watch the entire video from start to finish and don't skip any of the sections, or you will undoubtedly miss important details. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want you to go to google.com and search for the term cute animals to get things started. I want you to click on the images button, which will take you to a page with a variety of photographs of all these adorable creatures and information about how we can utilize them to earn a ton of money online by utilizing a very unique website and a very particular method. The second step is to visit teespring.com, a platform that is entirely free and enables you to employ artificial intelligence to create a variety of e-commerce items that you can subsequently sell online without having to interact with anyone. When you upload all of your images and designs to teespring.com, all I have to do is copy and paste the photos onto the website. It's actually much simpler and easier than you may imagine. In essence, it will help you print the patterns you see here on different clothes, t-shirts, and other items. On teespring.com, a wide variety of clothing is available. Look at this pattern right here. Simple drawings that you upload, copy and paste will enable you to instantly print them on a variety of t-shirts. Check out this $20 t-shirt. Not only that, but you can virtually sell any of the many different designs on teespring.com by copying and pasting them. As you can see, in addition to backpacks, leggings, and even phone covers, there are accessories. The concept behind this profit-generating plan is that Teespring would gladly pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and other designs for you, helping you with shipping to 180 nations worldwide. Furthermore, they are able to offer same-day or two-day shipping, making it possible for you to open your own online store in addition to the design store on teespring.com, which is quite great. So in general, that is how it operates. Simply use the Teespring launcher and use the stock design button to build a product. Stay tuned and don't miss out. I'll soon demonstrate how to utilize your phone or computer to start producing various t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting various photographs. As a result, you can develop and design a variety of goods straight away on teespring.com. Once that process is finished, you will go to the following phase, which is growing your sales. To increase sales, you may either exploit their current network or integrate through a tool or a cooperation. It's actually fairly easy, and it's currently functional. Therefore, Teespring will help you with the production, delivery, and fulfillment of all orders. They have a capable team to handle it, and they'll even assist you with customer service. All you need to do is return to the teespring.com homepage and click on the button in the upper right corner to begin designing. This will take you to a page where you can register for the most well-known creator platform in the world. Simply click the sign up button after providing some basic information, such as your name or brand name, email address, and password. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you can view several categories for various things that are currently in style, as well as a range of recommendations for what else is popular right now. such as digital garments and accessories like joggers and face masks. Now, you can just scroll down and browse the numerous additional themes, items, and products that you might make if none of these categories appeal to you. As you can see, there are many of them. To access this long sleeve tee category, simply scroll down until you discover what you're looking for. I'll demonstrate how to begin using the greatest, which is the classic. We must now post a picture of our t-shirt. In the center, we must copy and paste an image to create our own design for the t-shirt. In order to choose one of these pictures, you'll need to return to Google and perform the cute animal search I taught you how to conduct at the beginning of the video. Since there are many cat lovers worldwide who would like to purchase and design a t-shirt with a wonderful cat on top, I'll use the cats as an example in this video. We can either save the cat image to your computer, take a screenshot of it after you've made your selection. Then, select the photos that will be chosen. Click this button to upload a picture, and there are your cat pictures. After your image has successfully been uploaded, it will be printed on the t-shirt as is now visible over here. The photographs may be dragged and dropped to any area, and you can even enlarge them. Since you may adjust the size as needed, I'm currently making it slightly larger to fit in the box in the center and placing it somewhat in the center at the bottom. Choose a color for your product as the next step. On a t-shirt, we'll go with white. Then, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to choose a price for your product. By default, they'll suggest $20.99, and you can make $5.51 on each sale while having Teespring market and sell your t-shirts every day. Teespring's advantages include its silent operation and ease of use for beginners because it will help you market and sell the products. When you're satisfied with your design, simply click the Proceed button at the bottom to put your t-shirt and design font and center on teespring.com. I want you to go to facebook.com right now and search for the term cat lovers in order to generate hundreds of sales. You may join these public groups by clicking this button right here, which will help you filter all of the results for cat lover groups that are accessible to the public once you've accessed Facebook. I've already clicked on groups under the filter area, so do the same. Consider that if I click on this group over here, I'm taken to this page where I may view a large number of cat lovers from all over the world. They're showcasing a variety of cat-related pictures, graphics, and videos, so if you can implement a simple design right here on the scoop, you can produce a ton of organic sales without having to speak to anyone. Due to the fact that every member of this group is a cat enthusiast, the traffic will be incredibly focused. You may start making a lot of money right now by simply sharing a t-shirt design in this Facebook group and writing a very simple post. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos and I'll see you there.